Job of the day. We're doing a bearing service, checking brakes on this rowing trailer. I'm going to check all his lights and wiring. The terminal boxes look a little cracked, but if I don't have to replace them, I won't. One cover on that box in the front needs to be changed. I need to check all the lights, but let's do bearings, check brakes, and then we'll just do an overall safety check. Bottom of the trailer looks good. We got some Dexter torsions on here. Trailer's pretty darn solid, so nothing structurally that needs worked on. We do have some separation on the tire, so let him know that. Up in the air, up in the air. I think it's on both tires, yeah. Separation. Okay, I'll let him know those. Let's get going. Wiring looks good. Not broken on the backing plates. Let's pop them off, see what they look like. Well, seal's blue. He needs new backing plates. That one looks, that sucks because that one up front's just absolutely soaked. They have stickers on them still, but they're gonna have to be replaced out. Looks like the seal blew. I suspect that over greasing of the buddy bearing was the cause. That's the front. The seal just blew out on it. Start changing this stuff out. Hub and drums are all clean. Magnet surface is good on both of them. Good on both. Sweet. Let's get these packed up. I'm gonna take the backing plates off, but I'm gonna have these packed. We're cutting off backing plates. Ooh, I don't know if I can get to that. I can get to one at least. I can't get to that one. I use my wrench. Backing plates are off. I'm gonna put new ones on, but here's a closer look at the backing plate, just fully covered. Everything's nasty, so it's getting changed out. That's the rear one. There's the front one. Changing them out. All right, I haven't finished up the passenger side yet, but I'm tearing down the driver's side. I need to grab 2 more backing plates because I only had a driver's side and a passenger side on my truck, so I'm gonna make sure I don't need more on this. I know I need one more for the passenger side, but driver's side I'm not sure. They might even be good. Let's see. Yeah, okay, driver's side's good. Good on that one. Let's take apart the front. Both driver's side backing plates are good. The seals did not break. So we'll get these hubs packed up, cleaned up. Magnet surface is good on front and rear. All right, cool. I just need one more backing plate for the other side. Got backing plate going on, front and rear backing plate installed on the passenger side. It does not need backing plates on the driver's side. All right, every single hub is packed on this trailer now. I got tang washer bent on driver's side rear, tang washer bent on driver's side front. I got all the brakes working, but I will show on the video. We got free spinning, brakes are on, locked up, free spinning on the rear, brakes are on, locked up. Oh, battery's super low, but it's locking up. There we go. Brakes off, free spinning. Good. All right, let's pound caps. One buddy bearing cap is on the rear, cap is on the front. Don't have a rag, so I'll clean that up. This battery just does not want to charge. I'm just gonna plug it into the big one. On the passenger side, tang washer's bent on the rear, tang washer's bent on the front, free spinning on the front, free spinning on the rear. That brake does need to be adjusted, and I will do that. But it is free spinning. Let me turn on the brakes. Brakes are on, rear's locked up, front is locked up. All tires and wheels are on driver's side. Pounding dust caps onto the passenger side. That one's on. This brake does not need to be adjusted, but I do need to adjust the rear. Good. 2 lug nuts. Rear is on. Let's adjust this brake. Rear brake is adjusted. Dust cap is going on. Dust cap is on. Rear tire on. Front tire is on. They did not have a cap on the other one. I think it came off. So I cleaned up all the dust caps. This one's just got the cover on the rear. It doesn't have a cover on the front. Both covers are on the other side though. Drop this down. Well, would you look at that? The light was just stuck inside. Does not need a new light. Good. Plug that in. Come on, baby. Just go in. No wonder it got shoved in. There we go. This is the light that's not working. It's working on markers, but not working on right turn. Could be something as simple as wiring, or it could need to be replaced. Can't tell. We'll see if there's power coming to the back. All right, we got good power back to the plug. Let's plug in the light. Oh, I think I hear the filament inside of it. Oh, hey. Okay, it's working. Why it wasn't working the first time I checked it? Maybe the plug in the front wasn't connected to the pins correctly. Like not touching the terminal right. I do not need any lights, so I got good brake lights on the rear. That means left turn and right turn are working. I got a good brake light on the outside. Let me check the middle of passenger side. Middle passenger side is bright. Yeah, right turn's clicking good. Let's check taillights. Taillights are good. Good, 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 good. Outside is on and good. Good. Sweet. All lights work. Brakes work. Everything works. Let's make some now. I don't have a terminal cover for this, but I think this thing holding thing needs to be replaced, but it works. We're not going to mess with it. Good. All important lights work. And he requested that I weld on some new hinges that broke off. Got super rusty. That one broke over there. Wonder if these are just attached. Oh. Okay, boxes are attached, maybe? Yeah, they are. Hammer those and then we can weld it. Clean all this stuff off. Have to weld it where it's at. I got the lid off. I'm gonna cut these hinges off. Let's hammer these out. All right, hinge on the lid side is good. Let's get the hinge on the box side good now. Jumping ahead, I cut all the hinges off of both the boxes. I'm going to weld on some bullet hinges. Gonna weld 3 bullet hinges up and then test to make sure the lid's open smoothly, and then I'll be done. New hinges welded on both sides. Goes up, goes down, latches. That's the driver's side box. Passenger side box. Goes up, comes down, latches. Perfect. All right, all lights work, all brakes work. I changed out the passenger side brakes because they were covered in grease because the seals broke. I adjusted the rear one, front one did not need to be adjusted. Driver's side, both backing plates, hub and drums, everything was good, so I just did bearings, packed them up. Left turn, right turn works. I thought that light was gone, but it was just tucked inside the frame, so I put it back out. It works. These outside marker or outside lights work on right turn, left turn, and stop. All markers work. Tires do need to be replaced, but I let him know that. 7-way plug's good, wiring's good. New hinges on the boxes are good. Last thing to do is torque lug nuts. Passenger side rear done. Passenger side front done. Driver side front. Driver side front done. Driver side rear done. This trailer's done, and I'm on to the next.